Ayaw sa pagbabago? Ganito rin ba sa business mo? May bagong sistema kang gustong ipatupad pero yung ibang mga employees ayaw sumunod. Akala mo magugustuhan nila kasi mas efficient. Pero anong mangyari? Puro reklamo. Boss, sanay na kami sa dating system. Mahirap naman yan. Baka mas bumagal pa kami. Naku anak, mahirap nga yan. No, let me share what happened to my coaching client na si Lina. She runs a small printing shop with her husband and 3 employees. And they wanted to implement a new scheduling system para mas organized ang workflow. Pero ang mga empleyado nila, nako, puro resistance. Mas okay yung dati, sabi nila. Pero si Lina, hindi siya nag-give up. Instead of imposing the changes right away, she called for a team meeting. She explained kung bakit kailangan ng change para iwas overtime and less stress para sa lahat at mas predictable na ang magiging workload nila. She even asked for their input. Ano ba ang mga concerns ninyo? Sabi niya. So she also provided hands-on training every morning for 1 whole week. Kaya ang resulta, yung pinaka-resistant na empleyado, siya pa ang naging champion ng bagong system. So anak, ang lesson is this. People resist change not because they hate progress, but because they fear the unknown. So involve them in the process. Explain the why behind the change and then provide support and training. Be patient pero firm sa vision mo. Remember, change is growth and growth requires everyone's participation. So let's be business-minded Pinoy, ha? And if you want more strategies to grow your business without the stress, grab my book, yung Grow Your Business Pinoy. Link is in the comments.